10 years, reaping forever on top of the world. Pray for time to heal the fears, bring us back